Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And what I've got for you today is another radio from Jeff's collection. And this is a pretty cool radio. Let me get this stuff out of the way. And then I want to get the old camera to zoom in here. And we'll put this in center stage right there, and we'll get as close as we can. There we go. This is the Beach Boy AM FM radio, about 1986 vintage. It's a transistor radio, plus it has an integrated circuit. Yeah, Jeff got this from the Radio Attic for about $25, and it is in pristine condition, and it's my favorite color. It's red and ivory. This looks like ivory. It is really classy. Look, it's classy. That's what I'm trying to say. It's classy. Right here in this little window, it says Beach Boy Radio. In this window, it gives you the frequency dial. That frequency dial is really hard to see, but normally you don't need it. On this side is on-off volume, earphone jack. On this side, tuning, AM and FM switch, and the kickstand. I love kickstands. Isn't that neat? I love that. Pristine condition. Now, Jeff in his notes for me said that the FM antenna was a pain. And I'm like, was it just this little wire here? No, nothing up here. And then I put the batteries in, 2 AA batteries. There is the wire antenna he was talking about. So you got to stretch this out. There's a little notch right there. You bring it out, then you put the cover back on, and there's your FM antenna. That would be kind of a nuisance for a handheld portable radio. But there's good news. Let's go on. We turn it on. I'm on AM. I'm on AM. Turn it up. Tune it in. It's a little muffled there. There we go. Don't quite have it tuned in. There we go. We'll keep going now. Plenty of volume. Clear. Picking up a lot of stations.
Because to me they're evil. Take care of your sporting.
Each one of those was a different station. They're really close together here. Let's go to FM. Okay, now remember, the FM antenna is the wire that's buried down in here. So I don't have it out. Let's see what we get, even with it buried down there. Getting a lot of stations. Yeah, whoops, I went too far. Okay, a little weak. There we go. That wire antenna would make a big difference. There we go. It's a little touchy on the tuning, but once you get it tuned in, you get a nice strong station, even with that wire antenna buried down in here. So I imagine it would be a lot better. And of course, I'm in my workshop and I got a lot of electronics on, so that's interfering. Pretty cool radio. Made in the United States. I like this old plastic, the way they used to make plastic. Not this new stuff. It looks like if you squeezed it too hard, it would crack. And then right up here, I don't know if you can see, it says the word transistor. When this came out, transistor radios were just hitting the market, and they made a big deal of the fact that the radio was transistor. Uses just 2 AA batteries, plenty of volume, nice. I love this grill. This grill is perfect. And this ivory colored inlay here. This is really a nice radio. I don't know if I'm gonna give this one back to Jeff. I'm just kidding, Jeff. Don't worry, you'll get it back. And I appreciate Jeff loaning me these radios. And I appreciate you stopping by and watching my shows. If you enjoy my shows, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me that I'm doing a show that you enjoy. I got those other scanner radios that I dug out the other day, so we're going to be getting to those. I got probably another 10 radios from Jeff. We got a bunch of radios to review. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.